transport. Offers switch to lifting mode in an instant. A80, a reliable assistant for agricultural, forestry, and fishery transport, handles delivery tasks across complex terrain with ease. Comes standard with a high-strength dedicated lifting rope. Intelligent anti-sway system keeps every lift steady. Touch ground auto-release makes delivery simple and intuitive. A80 equipped with dual radar system. LiDAR and millimeter-wave phased array radar enable intelligent decision-making. 360-degree scanning for broad-range obstacle detection. High-precision real-time mapping at 850,000 points per second enables accurate terrain following. The system simultaneously tracks dynamic and static targets, planning optimal avoidance routes in real time, are detected with high precision and avoided intelligently, making each flight much safer. A80's energy efficiency fully upgraded, equipped with 2 high-voltage smart batteries for extended flight endurance. Grille design ensures efficient heat dissipation. During the flight, natural airflow keeps temperature up to support continuous operations across different scenarios. The A80 offers multiple high-efficiency charging options. 12 kilowatt air-cooled smart charger with 13 kilowatt AC generator. 11.5 kilowatt DC fuel-integrated charger, forming a flexible, multi-mode intelligent charging setup. Your reliable partner for full-day operations. A80 features low-light, full-color FPV. During operations at night, the controller delivers clear, detailed visuals. Dual 80-watt high-brightness lights deliver strong, penetrating illumination, making the remaining pesticide clearly visible at a glance, even in low light conditions.